Okay, I'm going to show you today how to use your PSS list, your prefixes, suffixes, and stems to answer the definition of words that you might have never heard before. This is the format that your quizzes are going to be in. You'll be given 25 words. This sample list that I have right here, this is part of a list of 25. These are words 201 through 228, I think. And I've just given you a section of the chart so we can use that. This would be what your quiz would look like. I just chose the first two words. The first one is insomnia. So we're going to take the word insomnia. Let's write that down. If you look at the list, you'll see that one of the words is somna. And somna is right here. And somna means sleep. So insomnia means no. So in means no or lack of. And somnia means sleep. So insomnia means a lack of sleep or no sleep. So we're going to go over here to our definitions and find which one of those definitions has something to do with sleep. That one, that one, that one, that one. Nope, right here. The inability to obtain sufficient sleep. So that's the definition for insomnia. And you just match that up using your stems. The other one I'm going to do for you today as an example is tachycardia. So tachy, let me change colors too so we know we're talking about two different things. I'll make that little circle right there. So tachycardia, tachy is a word that means fast. I know it looks like tachy, but it's tacky. It's the way you say it. Tachy is right over here. Where's the pen? Right here. That means quick or swift. Whoa. Quick or swift. Whoops. I got a new whiteboard program, so it's not quite used to it yet. So tachycardia is quick or swift. And we know what cardia is because of our cardiac muscle. We've heard of the word cardiac before. So that's heart. So tachycardia is heart. So if you have tachycardia, you have a quick heartbeat. So let's find the word that means quick heartbeat. I think we just read it a second ago. Right here. An excessively rapid heartbeat. So if you were going to study these, the way that I would study them is, do you see your list here? You've got your stems, but you also have your word. I would take this word and I would define it I would come up with my own definition using the stem. Like sol is sun. So solar pertains to the sun. Solve is to loosen or free. So a solvent is something that loosens or frees molecules from each other. Son is sound. So a sonogram is a graph of the sound. I would write these definitions out to practice them myself. I also have some Quizlets. If you would like for me to link those to our Latin stems for every week to help you study, I can do that too. If you have any questions, let me know. And this, again, is your PSS and how to study for them. PSS, quiz, explanation. There we go.